So this is the reason why we haven't had a YouTube video in a couple days. So the $5,000 dog. What's going on, y'all? Hope everyone's having a great day. And now at my shop right now, there's a plane flying over and some people making construction noises over there. Reminds me of my wedding day. That chainsaws in the background is awesome, but we made the best of it. I was at work today, had the welder in on a Saturday, which is odd, and yeah, he wanted to blare his movie that he's watching over his Bluetooth thing, his Bluetooth speaker as loud as it possibly go, because why not? Screw being considerate to other people. So of course I had to crank up my radio and send it. So for like about 5-10 minutes until I got pissed off and left. Got to engage the 1x1 or whatever, half by one, because it's a Ford thing. Really don't have a lot going on with those. Batteries are pretty much dead, so I figure, yeah, something to relax with, cold beer, and let the hair down for some of y'all folks that like to see that, bearded drunk tool Jesus, fantastic shit or stuff. Can't really say certain things on the YouTube, but old Napa battery charger. I mean, I could go pull my other cars up, one of them, and just dump it. See how that worked out? Just fantastic time. At least I saved the beer from getting crushed. I guess I gotta replace the hood struts on this. That'd probably be a wise thing to do, but I don't work on it as much as I should. I'm lazy. I don't want to touch anything. I turn that little guy on. Yeah, this does a decent job for what it is, so I mean, I can't really complain. Let that charge up. It says it's at 11.4. Who knows? It's just a good opportunity for me to sit here, drink beer, and BS with y'all for a minute. So if y'all have seen some of my other posts and all that fun stuff, you'll know that, well, my dog decided to be stupid with the other dog at 1 o'clock in the morning when I was on the phone with a buddy of mine, and they decided to go full speed into each other. It was a fun time. All I see was a puppy flying, doing circles and landing on her rear end, so yeah. $5 later, she's hobbling around, so fun stuff. I don't know what the hell that noise was, but whatever. It's one of my many of cats. I have them in all shapes and colors and sizes and all kinds of fun stuff. My wife likes to collect them. They're all psychotic. They all wake us up at like 3 o'clock in the morning wanting to be fed. Typical cat stuff. So, the $5,000 puppy, she is a spoiled little pain. She's in her crate right now, hopefully sleeping. It's really hard to sit there and tell a puppy not to run, jump, play, especially when you have other dogs, and not a fun thing. So this little guy's doing it, saying it says it's at 12.9, but I think that's a lie. That one's done. To the trash it goes, right? Really don't have anything to I have in my mouth. I really don't have anything to rant and rave and go off on today, other than the welder driving me nuts. So I'm trying to film multiple videos for you guys because of my schedule right now with the dog. But yeah, one of those fun things. My boss has been completely awesome on this whole thing. I've been having to leave work at like 11 in the morning, go run her back and forth to vet's visits, and leave work like 2 hours early and come in late and all that stuff. He's been absolutely awesome with that. So, beautiful thing about having great bosses. So, yeah, it sucks. The content's really not coming out as much as I'd like it. I'd like to have like 3 videos a week. But we could definitely talk about this truck. You know, it's a 99 F-250. 7.3 Power Stroke is my father-in-law's truck. When he passed away, I kind of became the caretaker of it, so, you know, not really doing it justice right now. But thinking about selling my SUV, start daily driving this, and putting more work into the OBS. I know my friend Jen, she's probably watching this and thinking, Joe, you need to be working on the OBS, getting it ready for the Wheels for Autism, which is a great thing. My truck club that I started years ago, I named a really great person, Jen, president. Fantastic person. Absolutely love her and her husband. Both fantastic people, and they both have the same goals as myself with doing charity work and helping out the community. So that's where we're at. That event, if you're in the Florida area, you know, the little peninsula looking thing, and you want to come out to Break Burger Garage April 1st, we're hosting a car show, and it's partnered along with Airboats for Autism and all that, so it should be a fun time. You know, I'm looking forward to it. If I don't go racing in Daytona on that day, then I will definitely be there hanging out. So don't know if I'm driving the F-250 pulling the OBS, or if I'm going to be driving the soccer mobile that I normally ride around in. It looks like crap, but whatever. But I'm really pissed off. I really wanted to do multiple videos today. That way you guys would have upcoming content and you guys could be happy with it and all that stuff. Mainly want to talk about the Toolbox organization with this stupid stuff, wrench organizers and plier racks, and I ordered some Toolbox widget, the DIY versions, to kind of compare to the Alien Space Saver ones, the wrench racks. February 24th is when I got the email saying a delay in order, 7 to 10 days, and it'll be shipped out. Oh, it's what, March 11th now? Haven't got it, haven't got an email update, whatever. I want to just tell them that give me my money back and be done with it, so. There's what it is. I digress. Thank God for cold beer. Granted, you know, I have to have the wife, you know, pick up some on the way home, or I have to go take something out to go get it. I'm thinking the OBS. Granted, 2 beers ain't really nothing. It's a taste at this point. Cigarette went out. But yeah, so I'm pretty excited about the truck club stuff. It's gonna be a fun time had by all. Thinking about getting some stickers printed up. Start getting those, heading over to all y'all fine folks. If y'all want to order those, all that. I just finding time with the puppy and all that stuff. So it's one of those fun things. It's life's a pain, right? So what can you do? But yeah, thank God for this slow charger. Let it just sit and hang out on there, and gives me time to sit back and drink beer and smoke cigarettes. And the wife has to drive me over to the Bells to go get puppy gates, children gates, whatever, to set up so where the dog's not roaming around the house. Such an expensive thing, y'all. Gotta love them though. Love animals. I'm trying to set up an Orlando meet coming up for animals, like going to one of our local animal rescues. That way I could do more charity work for that, and just hang out with car people and donate to the animals. I love animals a lot more than people. People are stupid. People do really, really dumb stuff. YouTube, if they ding me for that, whatever. It is what it is, right? I'm preaching about helping out animals and people, and if they're going to ding me for that, they can go screw themselves. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys are enjoying yourself. Hopefully you had a good week and none of your animals are hurting. Because I was talking to the wife yesterday, if I could break my own leg and take away my dog's pain, I'd do that in a heartbeat. I'd break it with that 20-pound sledgehammer I got. That'd be fun. Hate seeing an animal in pain. So, with that being said, y'all, that's my little rant video for the week. So if you like what y'all saw, great. It's been one of those weird weeks where it's been more of a personal life issues with the dog. So it is what it is. But keep wrenching, y'all. Bear with me on some of the content. Hopefully have some more coming out over the next couple days. Just finding time. All right, y'all. So take it easy.